Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's going to be a really crazy video, a really fast one, but I want to share this little nutty idea that I have come up with, and it's working out really well, so I thought I would share it with you. If you ever go to Dairy Queen and buy a Dairy Queen ice cream cake, you're going to get it in a nice little container like this. And I have two of these containers so far, and the other day I was going to toss one of them out and I realized this is pretty well made. The plastic on it is pretty thick, you've got a nice base on it, and all of a sudden I got the idea, Germination dome. And so I'm going to show you what I did. I'll bring in my little dome here. If you shop on Amazon, you know how expensive these little germination domes are. They usually come in little kits. You get a top and a bottom, and all they are is plastic. And the plastic is no better than this Dairy Queen little plastic. You can see I've got some nice little flowers going here. These are marigolds, and that fits perfectly. And when you're starting off seeds and they start to germinate, use one of these. You want to put a few holes. You want to put a few little holes in the top of this just to let a little bit of that humidity out. But this here is perfect. I was looking yesterday just for fun on Amazon, and these kits, they are expensive. Some of them are $20, $30, $40, and here we have something 100% free that you would have tossed out in your recycling bin. So there we have it, a really fast video. Try this out, super well made. So if you love Dairy Queen ice cream cakes, now you have another excuse why to go out and buy another ice cream cake this week. So there we have it. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my little video, and I'll catch you on the next one.